Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the latitude, longitude of host machine. So first I'm going to import sys module and import JSON module. And now I'm going to define our function and I will name it get lat long and inside our method I'm going to uh, import from URL lib.request, or I just import over here instead of inside the module or in the method. So it's going to be from URL lib.request import URL open. And now I'm going to make a request to a URL and get the response back. So URL open, to open a URL, pass in this address http ipinfo.io and then call read to read the response. And I'm going to get the JSON data. JSON data. Calling JSON dot loads and pass in our response. And now I'm going to get back our latitude and longitude. Let's be lat long. Let's make it longitude. And then our JSON data and call this method get log and split by comma. This should be up over here. Dot split. And now we can return our latitude and longitude. It's gonna be return lat and longitude. Now we are just going to test it by calling this method over here. I will just kind of copy this name. And now we are just calling the function and just save our script and test it. Oh, I need to print the return value too. So pass into a print function. And I'm using Python 3 to run our script. And here is our latitude and longitude. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.